Check the tyre condition and air pressure for optimal performance. Check the fuel and fluid levels and ensure there are no leaks. Ensure battery cut-off switch functions properly. Inspect the inlet and outlet valves for leaks and ensure the drain points are closed. Ensure to have wheel chocks or stoppers. Security requirements. Report to the security officer and share your credentials. Hand over your mobile phone, cigarettes, lighters or matchboxes, and cameras to the security. Reporting of truck driver to the control room. After checking the paperwork, our operator will give entry clearance document. Show this document to the security officer to bring the truck inside. Entry into the terminal with tanker truck. Follow the traffic rules and speed limits within the terminal. Seatbelts are mandatory to use. Once you arrive at the loading bay, wait in your vehicle for your turn. Our operator will give you a clear hand signal to enter the loading bay. Once it is clear and ready, slowly and safely bring the truck inside the bay. Switch off the engine and hand over the keys to the operator. Switch off the battery. Your gloves should be worn. Place the traffic cone behind the truck. Remember, do not touch or operate any equipment. Always follow instructions of Star Energy Advario operator when inside the terminal. Make your way to driver's waiting room, located inside the admin building, and wait for the loading to be safely completed. Our operator shall start the operation after carrying all the checks, indicated as per our checklist. Upon completion of the operation, conduct a 360-degree visual check of your tanker truck. Slowly and safely leave the loading bay and collect your belongings from the security. Thank you for paying attention. Stay alert, stay safe. We wish you a safe and productive visit to Star Energy Advario.